Last time we did some wild African bush camping, and we were attacked by mosquitoes all through the night. The next morning, we tried to cross into Senegal.
So we have a problem.
But because of corruption at the border, we were forced to spend the night there.
Guys, 24 hours stuck at the border. Finally, we're on the road. But anyways, welcome to Africa. That's how it goes. You know? I think we did it pretty good.
Welcome to Africa!
오, 맞네! 플라밍고다! 이제 즐기기만 하면 다. Just adventure.
Except we have one more problem.
뭔데?
Our solar panel.
맞다. 아즈미르라고 지금 앞에 가는 친구는 무에타이 월드 챔피언이었죠.
Another direction.
Okay, let me turn around.
Yeah, turn and then it's crazy here.
야, 이렇게 4x4 트럭 있으니까 마음이 놓인다, 야. 아, 귀여워. Okay, we are,
We made it.
yeah, here.
Hi, I'm Mark.
Robert Highness.
Nice to meet you.
They're the gang, border gang.
Is this Jeb Jem?
I don't know.
Yeah, Jeb Jens.
Oh, I love this place. I feel like I'm in Thailand or someplace.
Good.
Yeah, that kind of feeling.
맛있다.
Con la moto? Video.
아니요.
인터뷰도 하시나 봐요.
아, 네네네.
캠핑 가져와.
네.
찾아봐야겠어요.
네, 조심해서 가세요.
English.
I was eating the meal at the restaurant. He just took off. He didn't show up, so I went to TV. And Mark is working on the solar panel. So we checked this the solar, the wire. Solar is working. It's a 42 volt, something like that. So something is happening down there. So Mark is over to, you know, the 두꺼비집. How can you say 두꺼비집?
One alligator clip.
Alligator clip?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh my god. TV crew is kind of solved with our solar panel, and it turns out that the software issue, the app was giving us trouble, so we had to downgrade it, and hasn't connected yet, but hopefully we can connect to our BMS, and everything is set. So now just gonna chill. I'm just exhausted. Oh wow. 아 이쁘다. That's pretty, huh? 어? 맛쪽이 아이가. 좋아. 이렇게 tomorrow. 그만.
So just take it and then write it down.
Okay, here.
Yeah. So
Find our name.
this is their cola. It's called World Cola. Cola? Pineapple. Okay.
Soft drink, okay. Here.
고생했다. Cheers.
고생했다. Cheers.
이쁘다. The view is pretty too. So you guys are the Atlas Trotters, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys do YouTube too?
We just started.
We have 2 videos. We're very active on Instagram and TikTok. I was in Korea as an exchange student
Yeah.
at Hanyang University.
Yeah, in Seoul, right?
Yeah.
Did you like the food?
Very much, very much.
What's your favorite dish in Korea?
Bulgogi.
Oh, yeah,
bulgogi,
But
bulgogi,
I
one of
also
my
like
favorites.
kalbi, Korean
Ah.
barbecue. We don't really cook Korean food. We
Yeah.
just make.
I like the kimchi, for example, and I like spicy
Yeah.
food.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Korea's
Yeah.
perfect for you. You smell, Natalie, this is your blood type.
Yeah.
Hello, Lucy.
Hi.
Time to do some laundry, huh?
런데 엄청 많아. 빨래가 너무 많아요. 솔로는 어떻게 돼가고 있습니까?
I'm gonna figure it out, don't worry. Everything here is like such a pretty picture.
여기 자연생 같아.
Yeah. Oh man, that's pretty dirty. Wow, look how dirty that water is. Holy smokes.
자, 내 팬티 꺼낼 거니까.
Okay, alright. I'm gonna go back to the car and fix the car, okay? The campsite owner luckily has allowed us to plug into their system, but I can only use it during the daytime because this place is completely powered by solar. I've got my external panels out just to test to see if they are working. So these guys fortunately are working. You can see the external panel just plugs in right here. It has its own controller. So at least one route of the solar charge system that we have two routes. One's for the top panel, one's for the external panel. This system is working. That system is giving us problems right now. Solar panels are off, disconnected. You can see it's showing 0 volts right now. Before it was showing, I don't know, 4 volts or something like that. This controller is for the top solar, and this one is for the external. This is the guy I'm going to try to do a hard reset on. Alright, just took off the fuse, so we'll leave this disconnected for about a minute or two, and hopefully that will fix it. Let's see what happens. Let's go ahead and turn on the solar, see what happens. Solar panel is back on. Please work, please. Nope. Alright, next attempt. I just did a factory reset on this guy. And pray. Please work, please. Still not working.
Good luck. Guys, we don't have any good news. Just frustration and tiredness and just not going. I'm not having a good days these days, you know. Over here, Mark tried everything possible. You can see a little bit messy right now. It's temporarily just like put it in here. We didn't clamp it down yet. Just want to check the voltage and everything. Mark is quite, you know, frustrated like me. I'm sure he's more frustrated because he tried everything's possible. So I'm just gonna chill and just like brush it off, and tomorrow is another day that we can work on it, right?
Yeah.
Write me, please.
I will.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.
That's me.
You will go to Gambia or not?
I'm not sure. Keep in touch, okay?
Bye bye.
Alright, another friend gone. What a cool guy though, huh? And look at all this pasta he left for us. These guys are being so loud all of a sudden.
저기 지금 울고 있는 새가 그 라이온 킹에 나오는 새야. 불이 이렇게 돼가지고 오렌지색. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. We are using the campsite power line so that we can charge up a little bit. It is 36%. Yeah, phase 3. Mark is working on the solar, right?
Alright.
So he's using a meter and then mark that, which is positive and negative, right?
Yeah.
So we are gonna slowly figure it out. Hopefully we can have a little bit of resort. If not, you know, it is what it is. Try our best and try to see how it goes. It's working. It is working. 47.7 volts and then 2.8 amp.
Yes.
It works. Thanks to Lucy.
Thanks to Lucy, as usual.
Somehow I just leave you alone, whatever you're doing it, and when you get trapped and we just like talk through, right?
Yeah.
Somehow it just like works.
It always works that way. These guys here are the culprits. Somewhere from here down to the circuit breaker, the wire's broken. That's gonna be a major job to fix. So I've got everything temporarily clipped up together, you can see. So I've got to permanently connect these and waterproof them. So work is not over.
Senegal 맥주.
Senegal beer, La Gazelle.
Did you show them our work?
End result? No, I didn't.
So that is our result of our solar panel. We're just gonna leave it until, when we can find a place that we can stay quite chill, right?
Lucy, why are you kicking outside?
안에 너무 더워. Good morning, TV crew. It's next day after we fixed the solar panel, and Mark was working a little bit of solar from yesterday. I'm gonna show you. This line was longer before. He cut it again and then shortened it so that it would not be like so saggy anymore. Also, we are charging our battery. It is 43%. It is looking good. I feel much better. A little bit of tiredness left from last 3 days. Yesterday after we fixed the solar and we passed that, we opened all the door. It was so hot and then fell asleep. So let's see what Mark is doing right now. So today is the day that Mark is doing the laundry, huh?
Actually, there's nothing to do because you did almost all of it.
우와, 빠르네. That's quite fast, huh?
It's really funny how hard the sand is.
Oh.
I've never seen sand like this compact and hard.
Guys, we're gonna check out the tower because some traveler told us when we arrived first day, they said just go up there and check it out. It's really, really pretty. The sunset is amazing over there, but we never had a chance. So today we are gonna go up there and then check it out because tomorrow we are gonna leave this campsite with a good resort. This area that people are hanging out, like travelers, and they just shared information. This first day we got there and then we shared information and talked with the people. Alright. 와, 높네? 와, 이거 높다. Oh my god. Look at this. Wow. Oh, I feel dizzy. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Is everything pain?
Yikes.
Can't seem to pick up my phone. It's been
이거 아닌 것 같은데.
all day
어떡하지?
behind this
Mark has a, how can you say, high fear? But I don't have it. I'm sweating. Oh my god. You can see through. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. My hands are. Oh my god. 진짜 이쁘다. Wow. It is pretty. Really pretty. Wow. Wow. It's worth it to come over here. Oh my god. Look at that. You can see the towers over there. 진짜 좋았어. 아직까지 하늘이 핑크색이야. 더 핑크색이네.
Oh, so pretty. Wow.
Oh my god.
You can do.